Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today's video I'm doing another simplistic bloom on my little 6x6 tiles. I'm kind of doing a series. I've done yellow, I've done purple, I've done red mixed with some green. So today I'm going to do pinks, different shades of pink. So I have Amsterdam Pearl Rose mixed with Arteza Pearl Pink. I've got some magenta, Amsterdam Magenta. And this one is this little piggy fairy floss. It's a really pretty color. I've got some gold, Amsterdam light gold and dark gold mixed together. I have this little piggy Athenia, which is a pink and a gold kind of mixture. The gold kind of settled onto the bottom, so I'm going to give it a good shake. And then this last one is, what is this one? Oh, this one, Pibio. Pibio Vivid Pink. It's opaque, so I think I'll put that one on the top. And I've got some Peridot Deco Art Green. It's a different green this time. All right, so I'm going to get my pearl, my Glidden Premium that I use for my base. All right, so I'm going to turn you down and we'll get started. I just scraped something that I didn't like, so I'm just doing a new one. This is going to be the pink Simplistic Blue. Okay. I'm going to try this again. I think I'll put this one on the bottom. This is the Pibio Vivid Pink. All right. And I'm going to put this little piggy. No, I think I'll put magenta. This is almost the same. It's a bit darker. This is Athenia. Bit of gold, Amsterdam gold. This little piggy fairy floss. And then this is the Amsterdam Pearl Pink and Arteza Amsterdam Persian Rose and Arteza. A little bit of green. Don't have much of this left. I just mixed two together here. And cell activator. just use this. Well, it's a lot better than the last time. I don't know if it was the way I laid them down or what. Too much weight there. Once you start embellishing it, it turns into something really pretty. Okay. I tip it that way a little bit. Give it a spin. I don't want too much to come off the bottom. I want it to come off more at the top. There, I think that's good. One more little spin. Voila, she's done. Yes, it's very pretty. All right, I don't want too much more to come off here, so I'm done. I hope you like this one. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. And these little white bubbles, I can poke them and most of it will go away. All right, have a great day. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. Dried really good. Oh, it's very pretty. I love these pretty pinks. Oh, some gold showing through too. There you go.